is Adrian, and my desk setup was missing something, and that was a splash of color. So I did some research and I found the Govee Flow light bars, which was only $49.99. Let's take a look at what comes inside the package. You get the light bars, two different options to set the light bars up, the AC/DC power plug, and a physical remote with clicky buttons. There's also a Govee app that works on iOS and Android devices. Here are the mounts and stands that you would use for the light bar itself. Now let's unbox the light bars and take a closer look at what they look like. The bars are wired, but comes with a Type-C connection. Here's a quick setup on how things will look by connecting everything together. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. Now for the physical remote and the feature it offers. There's a power button, there's a color cycle button, and this last button activates some sort of mic sync feature that makes the light react to noise. This is Adrian Antonio, and I'm out.